So my wife has a 2019 Buick Enclave Avenir, and she said that it's been telling her periodically that her remote battery is low. So ordered a new battery from Amazon. When you see how little this battery is, you're gonna think this is crazy to send this in such a big package, and it weighs hardly nothing. So to change this battery, you want to remove the key that's in the top. So it comes out like that. You just press this little button here, and it will pop out. We're supposed to pop out. There we go. Now you're going to take this, and this key came out right here, and you're just going to stick the key in a little bit and pry this open. Here's the battery. It's a 2032 3-volt. We're going to remove that. Positive side was up, and it also says, gives you directions on the inside as well. So these are the new batteries. I think, if I remember correctly, I ordered 2. So hopefully I'll remember where I put the other one when another remote goes out. There's the battery. So all we're going to do is stick this back in here. This is the new one. It's an Energizer. I'll put a link down in the description at the bottom where this is at Amazon. Just pop it in there. And I can see that this remote is kind of dirty, so we'll clean that up a little bit. With a paper towel. You use an old toothbrush, Q-tip, anything, just get the gunk out. It's not too bad. Now it's just a matter of putting it back together. You'll notice that you get these 2 little prongs down here that you want to make sure you get kind of at the bottom and scoop those up. Put it back together. Put this back in. Should be good to go. Let's test it. works as it should. One of the things that I do want to show you is that in case you ever have problems, and you can't get it to start and you have to reprogram, then you need to take out everything that's in your console pretty much, which is going to be difficult here. There we go. And down here, sorry, I had to turn the flash on, but down here is a mat at the bottom of the console that you need to take out, and that little indentation there is where you place the remote to reprogram it. So it's kind of hard to tell from what the info center on your vehicle tells you, because it just shows that they're without the mat in place. And so it took me like 5 minutes looking around for that. But that's what you have to do in case your remote doesn't function. Then you can put it down there and it'll recognize the remote and start the vehicle. Hope this helps. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and you'll find out when we publish other how-to videos and all kinds of things about living on the farm. Thanks for watching.